I'd like to introduce you to Optim Eyes, part of ESG's connected collection strategy. Refuse collection vehicle maintenance is challenged by a number of factors that impact overall business performance, starting with the number of vehicles modern fleets have to manage. While vehicle technologies have grown dramatically over the last decade, the means to collect data from a refuse collection vehicle, or RCV, have lagged, often resulting in reactive maintenance campaigns that only tackle repairs after the vehicle is out of service or down en route. This, in turn, impacts fleet productivity and customer service. Ultimately, this leads to an increased spare ratio, which only adds additional cost. With the advancement of technology, there's a means to collect data from a refuse collection vehicle that provides solutions to specifically address these challenges, each of which has a positive effect on the hauler's performance, improves their relationship with their customers, and ultimately grows their bottom line. With Optim Eyes, it's like having a cardiologist and a fitness trainer overseeing your vehicle's health. Optim Eyes is both predictive and prescriptive. Invented by experienced mechanics and supported by data science and machine learning, Optim Eyes has the potential to reduce maintenance costs by 25%, troubleshooting by 70%, and increases fuel economy by 27%. How, you might ask? Predictability comes into play as Optim Eyes' unique time-advanced fault code detection, a fancy term for artificial intelligence, works to accurately predict maintenance issues 2 to 3 weeks before they become a problem. This ultimately leads to higher uptime, reduced costs, and a positive impact to your bottom line. Not stopping there, the prescriptive functionality instructs your technicians on how to fix the problem and what parts are needed. The RCV J1939 telemetry data, or heartbeat, from the chassis and body is collected by the Third Eye Gateway, processed and displayed in the Third Eye portal. Optim Eyes diagnoses maintenance issues to vehicle fault codes to allow for scheduled maintenance. In addition, Optim Eyes provides visibility to the asset's future regarding overall fleet health to help downtime scheduling and maintenance cost forecasting. Optim Eyes communicates what to fix and how to fix it, including the engine, brakes, coolant, both diesel and CNG fuel systems, electrical systems, and exhaust, not to mention how weather impacts the vehicle's performance. Having a detailed diagnosis of each vehicle on this granular level reduces errant parts inventories and ultimately reduces the need for fleet spares to compensate for unanticipated breakdowns. The diagnosis includes a low, medium, or high severity level to allow for efficient shop labor scheduling and part planning. Each event will automatically open work orders in your fleet maintenance system and provide fleet owners with extensive, comprehensive asset-based fleet health assessments. The Optim Eyes deployment is simple. An out-of-the-box solution with data available on day one, integrates with your maintenance ERP system activated by email. No driver interaction is required, and an intuitive color-coded dashboard is provided for easy visual reference and fault identification, allowing for immediate action or deferred maintenance. With Optim Eyes overseeing your fleet's health, your fleet will be stronger, live longer, and be more productive while being completely scalable to fit any fleet size. Optim Eyes will allow you to right-size your fleet, decrease your maintenance costs, level load your tech labor, decrease your fuel expense, reduce inventory, and provide better customer service. A powerful combination that will allow you to make better decisions faster, resulting in an improved bottom line. Contact your local Heil, Third Eye, or SoftPak representative today to find out more about Optim Eyes technology, part of ESG's connected collections offerings. We're positive it will be one of the most important calls you'll ever make regarding your fleet's health.